Ever found yourself staring at a blank PowerPoint slide, the cursor blinking mockingly as you grapple with the dreaded blank page syndrome? Or perhaps you've been tasked with crafting a presentation in a time frame that seems, frankly, unimaginable. Trust me, I've been there too. But let me share a little secret that turned those panic-filled moments into a thing of the past. PowerPoint Copilot. My name is Samuel Boulanger, and in this tutorial we'll dive into how PowerPoint Copilot can revolutionize the way you create presentations, turning hours of work into just a few productive minutes. We'll cover 10 features of PowerPoint Copilot that will help you supercharge your productivity. If you're keen on discovering more ways to boost your productivity with tech and AI, hitting that subscribe button is a great start. Please make sure to stay to the end, as the two last features are mind-blowing. Let's dive in. But before we jump into our first game-changing use case, a quick heads up. Accessing the magic of PowerPoint Copilot requires either a Copilot Pro subscription license at $20 per month, a business standard or premium subscription, or a Microsoft 365 E3 or E5 subscription. I'm using the Copilot Pro subscription for this video, and trust me, it's worth every penny for the efficiency and peace of mind it brings. Our journey into PowerPoint Copilot's capabilities begin with the effortless creation of new slides. Let's start by clicking on the Copilot icon on the top ribbon, which opens the chat pane. Additionally, PowerPoint Copilots offer an array of pre-designed prompts accessible by clicking on the book icon. These prompts serve as a guide showcasing the range of tasks Copilot can perform. For further exploration, you also have access to Copilot Lab, a comprehensive library of prompts designed to inspire and facilitate your presentation creation process. Now imagine you're tasked with creating a presentation on the 2024 Olympic Games. You can simply type "create a presentation on the 2024 Olympic Games." Press enter. As you can see, PowerPoint Copilot responds by generating a series of slides based on your prompt. It even includes speaker notes to guide you further. So if I expand, you can see the speaker notes, created those 6 slides: the intro slides, Paris, a city rich in Olympic history, sustainability at the 2024 Olympic Games, new sports at the 2024 Olympic Games, etc., etc. This feature really transformed the daunting task of starting from scratch into a smooth kickoff for your presentation. Now, suppose you want to add a slide highlighting the top 3 most popular sports at the Olympic. Again, you turn to Copilot and you type "add a slide showing the top 3 most popular sports at the Olympic Games." As simply as that. Press enter. And here we go. We have a slide showing the most popular sports in the Olympics. But let's say the default image doesn't quite match what you had in mind. No problem. With Copilot, you can refine your visuals. Select the image and ask Copilot to change this picture to a swimming picture. And watch now as it has updated your slide with a new, more fitting image. You can easily enhance any of your slides with custom images created by Copilot. Let's demonstrate this by adding a new blank slide. And this time we ask Copilot create an image showing Olympic in summers. Enter. So this command prompt Copilot to generate an image that will capture the vibrant spirit and the competitive excitement of the Summer Olympics. In that case, using swimming as a base. And it really helps you add more dynamic visual elements to your presentation. Enhancing your presentation with relevant information is crucial. With Copilot, you can directly ask questions to gather data for your slides. So if you need details, for instance, about the last 3 Summer Olympic Games, just ask. So where did the last 3 Summer Olympic Games take place? Enter. And Copilot provides you with the information that you can easily integrate into your presentation. In that case, 2016 Rio de Janeiro, 2012 London, etc., etc. However, please make sure to double validate any data generated by AI as it might be incorrect. To further refine your presentation, PowerPoint Copilot can assist in rewriting text to add more depth or clarity. So let's first start by copy and pasting the text on our slide, and we'll remove this part that's responsive based on the presentation. And after pasting the information, you might find that the details is lacking. By instructing Copilot to rewrite this text, by adding more details on each event, you can enrich your slides with more comprehensive information, making your presentation more informative and engaging for your audience. So let's select the text and ask to write this text by adding more details on each event. Enter. And here we go, we just rewrite the text for us. Obviously, it's kind of a bit weird what it just did. I will assume it will be fixed in a later release, but now it's not that much of a problem because we will be able to format our presentation in the next step. Let's just arrange this slide a little bit. We'll first move this title here, and then we will ask Copilot to improve the slide. Press enter. And there we go, we have a far better looking slide. It's more clear. You can see all the details that's been added by Copilot. It was unreadable a couple of seconds ago. So Rio de Janeiro, the first Olympic Games to be held in South America, London, the games feature 26 sports, etc., etc. So it added a lot of detail. It formatted the layout to be similar to other slides, but if this current design doesn't quite meet your expectation, Copilot can help streamline this as well. By clicking on the designer button, and from there it will show you different options that you have in terms of design. So I can select this one, it will change the design for me. I think the result frankly surpasses what I could have achieved on my own. By exploring the designer options available, you can experiment with various styles and layouts to find the perfect match for your presentation, themes, and content. As we near the completion of our presentation, adding an abstract at the beginning provides a concise overview for viewers who are short on time. Asking Copilot to add a summary of the presentation in a new slide at the beginning. There we go, we now have a full summary of the presentation. Paris will host the 2024 Olympic Games at various iconic landmarks, etc., etc. Finally, structuring your presentation is made easy with Copilot. By adding an agenda and asking simply add an agenda in a new slide at the beginning, we will give our audience a clear roadmap of what to expect. And there we have a complete agenda of our presentation. Following this, we can now ask Copilot to structure the presentation. Now you can see it created different sections, introductions, Paris Olympic history, sports and athletes, etc., etc. It even added introduction slides for all those new sections. So it's not only organizing your content into digestible sections, but it also enhanced navigability, ensuring a seamless flow of information throughout the presentation. But that's not all. I've saved the best for last. While the presentation we've created is impressive, personalizing it further to align with my unique preference and ensuring all the points I wish to cover are included will typically require additional effort. However, Copilot simplifies this process too. If you have a Word document with all the necessary information for your presentation, you don't need to start from scratch. Let's create a new blank presentation. And click again on Copilot. Then I'll press on the backslash of my keyboard. I will select a document and I will ask generate presentation from this document. Just like that, PowerPoint Copilot crafts a complete PowerPoint presentation based on the content of your Word document, streamlining the customization process. I have a 9-slide deck. I have the agenda, introduction, host city, etc., all created from the information inside of my document. That's all, folks. We've thoroughly explored the powerful features of PowerPoint Copilot today, showcasing how it can revolutionize the way we create presentations, making the process quicker, more intuitive, and ultimately more effective. It's clear that the future of presentation technology is bright, with tools like PowerPoint Copilot leading the charge. As we look forward to what's next in the realm of tech and AI within Microsoft 365 products, I can't help but share my excitement for what's on the horizon. Your engagement and feedback are what fuel these explorations, so don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button and join our journey through the evolving landscape of digital tools. And speaking of evolution, if you're intrigued by the possibilities of AI enhanced productivity, there's more to explore. Don't miss my in-depth look at Copilot for Word, where I delve into its capabilities to transform your document creation process. The video is right there. Thank you for watching and for all your support. Whether it's through likes, share, or engaging in the comments, your interactions mean the world. If you have any thoughts on PowerPoint Copilot or questions about what we've covered today, leave a comment below. I'm always eager to hear from you and share in our community's insights. Until next time, see ya!